Shandong Century Machinery Company Limited, established in 2011, is a specialist manufacturer and supplier of flatbed die cutters and complete solution for post-press converting lines for corrugated packaging industry for decades. We are located in the city of Weifang in Shandong Province, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Based on competitive pricing and high quality, thousands of customers have chosen Century as their partner. Over 4,000 machines installations have been completed in about 50 countries, as in Germany, Japan, UK, Spain, Italy, Poland, Australia, Brazil, Thailand, Malaysia, and South Africa, etc. For years, we have been committed to quality products, competitive prices, and professional services, which helped us win support and trust from customers and clients. That is the reason why we can establish long-term cooperation with them. Our philosophy is "To the quality strives for the survival, reputation, and brand." Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Anytime, we are eager to cooperate with you sincerely. We warmly welcome customers from domestic and overseas to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.